Okay, Madhu. So after this, you want me to practice shell scripting only, mm, or anything else you want from me?
Yeah, yeah.
Find a command, with all the examples.
No, no, no. I was about to tell, ask that. Find with the option. Find and
Okay.
eval.
Okay, 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 okay. Just a second. Sharing my screen. Okay. I told you random numbers,
Yes.
programs, how to put them in array and all.
Yeah.
Did you remember where were we?
Uh,
Suppose we were here only, no awk variables.
yeah. Variables.
Okay, so we have this ARGC, we have this ARGV. Okay, so ARGC is used to count the how many number of variables are there when we are giving on command line. Okay, so in simple it is begin print arguments ARGC, and I'll write the arguments. Okay, and it will print me the arguments, that how many count the how many arguments are there in total. ARGV is argument value. Okay, it stores the command line argument. Okay, array index ranges from 0 to ARGC minus 1. Okay, argument count minus 1. So what I do is I start with begin. Okay, for I is equals to 0, I is less than ARGC minus 1, count minus 1, plus I. Okay, now I print the argument. Okay, so what format I am doing is that ARGV of 1 means on that place print that particular argument. Okay, and you can see I am taking these values, and at the last here only we give the values of the argument. Okay, then we have this NF. NF stands for number of fields in the current record, and NR stands for number of rows in the current record, and OFS is output field separator. Okay, and ORS is output record separator. Means when my records are being displayed, how I want my records to be displayed. Okay, so let me show you the examples. अलार्म बंद कर लो. Let it start. Then end it. Ignore cases, that when I write ignore cases equals to 1, it makes my awk equate sensitive. Okay, so you can see I can search for Amit. Okay, next I have this awk control flow. Okay, so if then else condition is also there inside these. If okay, so we can make conditions also. Okay, so as you know that now we write it is saying it is printing an even number. So begin, okay, curly braces, we write and m is equals to number is equals to 10. If number mod 2 is equals to 0, okay, the printf n is an even number. Okay, so this is just a small example of if condition. Most probably this weekend also I'll teach you, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. How much time it is taking? Okay, then else statement. Okay, so both the conditions it is check that if num mod 2 is equals to 0, printf num is an even number. Okay, else printf number is an odd number. Okay, so both the conditions it is checking on num, even and odd both. Then we have for, which is for initialization condition and increment operator, and then action. So here just it is printing print I. Okay, so all of these we are gonna try right now. Then we have while statement here also. Then we have break and continue also. So break is that if some means at some point at some condition I want to come out of the loop, use this break statement. So sum is equals to 0, i's value is 0 till 19. Okay, sum is equals to sum plus I. Okay, now if the sum becomes greater than 50, then break. Okay, else print sum is equals to whatever it is. Okay, then we have this continue statement. Okay, exit also. Exit means when we want to stop the execution of the script at some point, we want that it should stop. Okay, for then that purpose we use this exit. It makes sure that we come out of the loop of the not loop also, that of the program only or of the shell scripting only we will be able to come out. What happens is that in break sometimes we come out of that particular loop only and we are moving on to next loop. Okay, but here what happens that exit is makes you come out of the whole program only. Did you try doing all of these in the different laptop?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, no problems you faced?
Mm, I have not tried. I have tried one of the things. So for that, it was okay. No.
Okay. Try all of them, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I put begin and I print the arguments. Okay. A little bit of syntax we need to remember, otherwise we face errors. Did you see that? Are you doing with me, dear?
Hello.
Yes. Are you doing
Mm,
with me?
1 second. Arguments. This argc give the number of argument one, two,
Argument
three.
count. Yes,
One, two,
argument
three.
count.
So it is four, na? One, two,
Okay.
three.
First one you're seeing.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, I've given a space here. So
Okay.
it is considering it as one more, okay?
Okay. Mhm. Yeah, we can move.
Okay. Okay, next is to print the argument values. Okay. We are always doing ERGC minus 1 because always the count is greater than 1. Means one extra space is there. Okay. So I can start from 0 and I is less than equals to or I is less than. Okay. ARGC minus 1 because the count. Okay. And then plus plus I. Okay, so this is my for loop structure. Now what we have to do is I have to print. Okay, so I'll write this for loop is closed, another bracket for loop will start. Okay, in which I'll write my printf condition. Okay. Argv, okay, of percent %d because I want to print the numbers is equals to argv, okay, of I. Okay, so yeah, I have to print of dollar I, so percent %s I'm writing. Okay, so this will be printed. Okay, argv of percent %d is equals to percent %s or okay, here it is giving me the value. Okay, argv of I. So we have to remove this of percent %s. We close it, comma. So I value we have to give, then argv of dollar I we have to give. Okay.
Can you explain again this one?
Yes. Let me show you. I started from begin. Okay. My loop is starting from 0 to a argument count minus 1 and plus plus I we have done. The thing is argument count minus 1 because you can see that it was giving an extra space when we were counting the arguments here. When I gave three arguments, but it was giving me the value 4 because of the extra space. It counts. Okay, just like WC. Okay, so that's
Okay.
why I have taken ARGC minus 1 and plus plus I will do the incrementation automatically. Okay, rather than I plus plus.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then what happens is printf I am using. Okay, so argv of percent %d means I will be printing the argument number. Okay, so I which is equal to I. Okay, so I is 1, 2, 3 means argv argument value 0 is this, argument value 1 is this. We are gonna print it. Okay, so these are my argument values 1, 2, 3, 4. I have given it the last. Okay, so here we'll be printing it like this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I did this argv of I. Understood? Shall we go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. So argv of I we printed. Okay. Now I close this brackets, the printf bracket. Then I close this for loop bracket. Okay. Then I close the single quote. Okay. Then I give my so you can see something wrong. Firstly, wait for just for a minute. We're just printing ARGB. of 0, 1, 2, 3 it is printing, but it is not printing this percent s. It is not taking it means. So 1 it is not taking actually. 2 it is taking, 3 it is taking. Okay. And I need to put something more. Just okay, did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how your values are printed, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Next is NF and NR, OFS, ORS, okay? ORS stands for how my file output should be seen, okay? Then I jump on to if statement, okay? So I'll be writing an if condition, okay? So I write off begin. So doing with me, you doing with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. If, okay, so firstly I have to give the value of num. Okay, so I write num is equals to 10, semicolon. Okay, similarly here you can see it has given the firstly the value. Okay, num is equals to 10. Now if I'll give the if condition. Okay, if num mod 2 is equal to 0. Okay, then if it is equal to 0, then you have to print f. Okay, so then is not there, sorry. You have to start the brackets here. Okay, printf. Okay, so printf num is even number. Okay, backslash n, I close it, I close the printf. Okay, I close another brackets and I close the single quotes. So it is saying num is an even number. Now let me change the number. Okay, so it's isn't it? It's not, so that's why it has not printed me anything. Understood? Now I'll put an else condition also. Okay, so printf is done here. Okay, now as you can see here, else condition is also there. If then else condition. So begin num mod to printf. Okay, else printf number is odd. Okay, else printf number is odd. Okay, I close it. So I close these brackets, then I close my single quote brackets. So you can see number is odd, backslash, and I need to put number is odd. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So if then
Hmm.
else condition is okay, then we have this for statement. Okay. So awk begin. Okay. We write this for statement for I is equals to 1, I is less than equals to 10, I plus plus. Okay. Then I write print I, or if I want to print I in perfect manner, okay, so I'll print like this, otherwise just print I and semicolon. So here you can see it just doing print I, okay, and closing it. So I close this bracket, I close this bracket, I close single quotes. Simple way. We do it. Is it done?
1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, it is done.
Done. Okay. So today I'll be sharing some of the shell scripts to you, okay?
Yeah.
Do it
Yes.
whenever you have time and send me the output, okay? And the shell script as well. Okay, next is for loop is done while condition, okay? Let me show. Begin I is equals to 1, suppose. Okay, we have to put the condition. So firstly we'll increment. So you can see I is equals to 1, okay? So while I is less than 10, okay, now I'll do this. I'll write print I semicolon and I plus plus, or plus plus I, or I plus plus, whatever you want, okay? So this, I close this brackets, I close another brackets, I close single quotes.
Yeah, done, done.
Done. Now next is break, continue, and exit. Okay. So break statement, continue statement, and an exit statement. Okay. So what are these all about? Off. Okay. Begin I do. Okay. Begin I do. Then I have to put the conditions. Okay. So on the condition it is saying firstly I'll put a sum is equals to 0 and I'll put a loop. Okay. So sum is equals to 0 semicolon and a loop. Okay. For I is equals to 1, I is less than equals to 10, I plus plus. Okay, I do it like this. Okay, then I have to put conditions. Okay, that if I'll do sum. Okay, I'll take out the sum. So I write sum is equals to sum plus I. Okay, so I take out this sum. Now it is taking that if sum is greater than 50, then break. Okay, so I write if sum is greater than 50. Okay, so you have to break. Okay, else what you have to do is, else we have to print. Okay, else print some value. Okay, so here it is printing the sum value using this percent sum is equals to sum. Okay, else you have to print it. Okay, firstly we will do till here only. Okay, and check whether our this is working or not. Okay, so this is done. I close this variable, this bracket, I close this another bracket, I close single quotes. Okay, okay, so you can see if sum is greater than 50, so it has break already broke it obviously. Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll print else condition as well. So I'll print else condition as well. Okay, so how to print this else condition? Okay, else print sum is, okay, percent d, So you can see till 45 the sum is getting printed. Okay. And after that at 50 it breaks. Understood? Understood, brother?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we can move on.
Okay. Okay, next is okay, continue statement. So here at I'm making my loop start from 1 to 20. Okay. Then I have put a condition if I mod 2 is equals to 0, print I else continue. Okay. Cartoon. One. One. Okay. Okay, so if mod of the 2 is equals to 0, what we have to do is I have to print I, okay, else continue. Okay, so I write print I semicolon else continue. Okay, semicolon. Okay, I close this brackets, I close another brackets, I close single quotes. Understood?
Yes.
Same as the exit command also, okay? Try it by yourself. If you find any issue, then tell me. Let us see
Yeah.
nearby. To check the status, you just write equal dollar question mark, okay?
Hmm.
Okay, do the continue one. Then we'll go ahead. Do you have this document of work with you?
No, no.
Okay, so I'm going to try it now. You want me to show the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
See it afterwards and send you.
Yeah, we can move.
Okay. Okay, rest the documents I've sent you, I suppose. Automating programs and all on the cron tab document I've sent you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so tomorrow I'll do that eval, okay? Eval and find command, okay?
Okay.
As well
Okay.
as we'll move on to a little bit of tricky shell scripting programs, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, dear. And anything
Okay.
else you want from my side, please update me, okay? Today,
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
you want that, yes, that I'm missing it or something like that, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Okay, dear. Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Okay.